A game can disappear from the Google Play Store or from Mistplay without warning if the developer removes it, the listing becomes unavailable in your region, or the promotion ends. That doesn't always mean there's a problem with your Mistplay account. By the end of this video, you'll know why a game may no longer be available, what happens to your existing progress, and what you should do next. If you notice that a game you are playing is gone, first search for it directly in the Google Play Store. If the listing is no longer available, the developer may have removed the game or temporarily unpublished it. In that case, Mistplay can't continue offering that title because the app is no longer available for new downloads. If the game still exists on Google Play but has disappeared from Mistplay, the promotional partnership may have ended. Mistplay regularly updates its game catalog, and titles can be added or removed over time. Once a game leaves the catalog, it may no longer be available for new installs or continued reward opportunities. Now check whether the game is still installed on your device. If you already have the game installed, you may still be able to play it, but that doesn't automatically mean you'll continue earning Mistplay rewards. Open Mistplay and look for the game in your library or active games section. If it no longer appears there, reward tracking may have ended even though the game itself still works. If you expected to receive rewards for gameplay completed before the game disappeared, check your reward history inside Mistplay. If eligible rewards are missing, gather screenshots of your gameplay progress, your reward history, and the game's status before contacting support. Include your account email, the game name, and a clear explanation of what happened. Avoid uninstalling the game immediately if you're trying to resolve a missing reward. Keeping the game installed can help if Mistplay support asks you to verify your progress or provide additional information during their review. If you're looking for a replacement, browse the current game catalog inside Mistplay instead of searching for the removed title repeatedly. New games are added regularly, and available offers can vary based on your device, account, and region. Here's the quick recap. Confirm whether the game was removed from Google Play or only from Mistplay. Check whether it's still in your Mistplay library, review your reward history, and contact support if rewards earned before the removal are missing. If this guide saved you some time, subscribe for more simple Mistplay fixes and app troubleshooting tutorials.